Hello everybody, welcome. This is New Media 47 and I am Robert. And do you guys use sub for sub to try to grow your YouTube channel? If you do, stop. It is not an efficient way to grow your YouTube channel here on 2020. We are in the new age, baby, and we got technology to help us do all that. Sub for sub is also it's the most inefficient way to ever try to grow a YouTube channel because those people that you're subbing for, they're not going to watch your videos. They may sub and keep subscribed, but they're not going to watch and help you grow. They're really not. They're not interested in what you are. But before I go any further, let's roll that intro. Now, a niche is a specific skill, hobby, etc. Something that somebody is truly passionate about. If someone's passionate about it, they're gonna be a select few people. Those are gonna be a target audience is what you're gonna be trying to hit. It's basically a smaller selected group of people at first until you have your following behind you. You gotta get there first. All right. So what I'm gonna be able to do for you today, and first off, hold on. If you haven't liked, subscribed, or hit the notification bell below, go ahead and do that now. Because if you like this video, you're gonna love the next video, and you're not going to miss out. It's all about a blueprint to help you keep your videos consistent and help you keep a consistent growing following here on YouTube. So let me ask you a couple questions on why your YouTube channel isn't growing. Do you have a select group of people you're following? No? Alright, this is a video for you. Do you have a way to check and monitor every aspect of that channel? Yes? Let me know in the comments below. But no, this is the video for you. Have you been stuck on those Facebook sub for sub pages and not got really any results unless you paid for the results? If so, this channel and this video is for you.
Alright guys, so what's happening right here is that we took you to my TubeBuddy homepage. And I'm not going to go into too much detail on these apps, guys. It's just I wanted to show them to you so you guys can get off the sub for sub. But the first one I got to show you, like I said, it's TubeBuddy. And I have a link for you guys to click down there. And so click the link. It'll be somewhere right around here. But as we're going through the app, you see I'm about to type in sub for sub, not working. It's going to go through and show me exactly my keywords and how well they're ranking. Not to mention, it'll allow me to copy and save other keywords in a clipboard and use them as tags, so my video will rank better. There's so much that TubeBuddy does for you. Other than that, I mean, there's an option that even helps you make your better thumbnails. Now, as we go through, it's going to show you here on my channel exactly how well this video itself has been doing, all the different links I added and how they are ranking. On top of it, it gives you kind of like a little bit of a checklist to kind of keep your videos at the absolute maximum. And of course at the end you can also copy all the custom URLs. Now we're going to get into vidIQ, and it's similar to TubeBuddy, but this one does a little bit differently. It ranks it a little bit better in my opinion. TubeBuddy it's amazing, but vidIQ would do the exact same TubeBuddy does if vidIQ didn't require you to pay for the pro fee as quickly as TubeBuddy does. Again, it's doing the ranking, showing me all my different keywords and how well they'd rank. On top of it, it'll show me.
Well, thank you guys. I really appreciate y'all watching and stopping in for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, hit that like, subscribe, because like I said, the next video is going to really help people out, and you don't want to miss the blueprint. It's going to be a killer blueprint. The links to all my social media in the link below, so go follow me on all platforms. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Again, hope you're with us in the next video, but till the next one,